Well, we didn't do worth the shit yesterday, so we're gonna try again today. Conditions are supposed to be a lot better. It was way too rough. We only caught one fish, this one right here. So let's see what happens today. I got the boat in the water. Seaweed King right here, James Parsons, tool master. Hey Mike, so I took the gog like you said and cut its tail out. Is that what it's supposed to look like? Floppy. Well, it's James Parsons, your #1 deep sea, ocean, water, fishing seaweed captain, tool guy slash don't catch any fish today. We did catch those 2 bonitas, 1 and 2. The water's nice. I got Sophie over here in the with the swamp cooler. Got her in a little air-conditioned room, and not a lot of action, but a real nice day. We'll see you next time.